With public firework displays cancelled this year, there could be an increase in private displays. Well, Dogs Trust is sharing advice on how to keep our pets safe and calm this fireworks season. And it's fair to say that 2020 has been a memorable year for the rescue and rehoming charity, as more of us welcome a four-legged friend into our lives.
2020 has been challenging for everybody, and it's been challenging in dog welfare as well. We've had to change our policies and how we work. We have adapted because it's really important that we continue to help dogs. While it's been good that there are lots of people now wanting to take a dog on to rehome a dog, it is still a very big commitment. You have to be in for the long haul. You need to think about what dog you're wanting and what you want from the dog and what you can give the dog. Firework night is really stressful for dogs. There's sudden loud bangs, there's flashes of light, and the dog's hearing is 4 times more sensitive than ours. So if we think it sounds loud and it makes us jump, imagine what it does to the poor dog. So we would say to people, do your best to make your dog feel safe and secure. Exercise it during the day so it's feeling more content at the night. Feed it beforehand. And then obviously draw your curtains, turn your TV up or radio up quite loud, and make sure the dog has somewhere it can go where it feels safe, be it its own bed, it might want to hide somewhere, it may want to be really next to you just for that security. You're just doing the best to make the dog feel safe until it passes. It may be there are less fireworks this year, we don't know, but it could be that there are slightly more, or they're nearer to your house because they're in a neighbour's garden. It may be worth having a chat with a neighbour and finding out if they are planning on anything, so you can put arrangements yourself for the dog.